flood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.
Real quick, guys, take a look at what is going on here now. Take a look at what is going on here. Look at where I picked this trade, guys. This is a perfect sniper entry. All right, this is a perfect sniper entry, and it will only take who knows what he is doing to get this sniper entry. Look at where I opened that position, guys. You can see that here. All right, you can see that. So this is a lot of money already. So it will only take who knows how to do this very well to understand the structure of this market, to understand the price action and open this position at this particular place here. So what I'm saying in essence is this: if you want to learn how to do this profitably and successfully, guys, this is another short video whereby you can apply on how to do this profitably and successfully, guys. This is a lot of money. All right, this is a lot of money. As you can see, this is a 5-minute time frame, guys. Look at it here, and this is volatility 25 index. All right, so for me to have opened this position on a sniper entry here, look at the sniper entry, guys. I am not I'm not capping, guys. Look at it here. All right, look at it here. You see this, it will only take who knows what he's doing to pick this sniper entry here. All right, so if you really want to learn how to do this profitably and successfully, guys, be sure to contact me, and I will definitely walk you through on how to do this. And before contacting me, guys, be sure that this is not a free service. All right, this is not a free service, so the minimum that I'm charging is $50. All right, so if you don't have such amount of money, probably you will keep doing what you have been doing before now. But I'm telling you guys that this is the best thing you will ever come across, and then you are going to make a lot of money. All right, you are not going to regret enrolling in mentor. It is not mandatory that you enroll with me. You can enroll with someone else, but have the knowledge, have the basic knowledge of how to trade these pairs profitably and successfully, guys. Look at this sniper entry. All right, only this sniper entry alone will convince you that this guy really knows what he is doing. All right, I am not capping, just as I said earlier on, but at least when you see when somebody is doing what he knows how to do very well, you will actually know. All right, so look at it here. You see all these things. I am going to show you how, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to work with price action this way, and you know the best time for you to understand when the market is going to reverse. I only achieve this here because I have been following this market, and I know the particular place that this market is going to reverse at this moment. That was the reason I opened this position at this particular zone, and as you can see, this is a perfect sniper entry, guys. All right, so I opened this position when this big bearish candle was forming. All right, that was when I opened this position, and I laid the position run. Look at where from that place to this place now. You just have to do the right thing at the right time, guys. So that is it, guys. If you want to learn how to do this profitably and successfully, be sure to contact me, and I will definitely walk you through and mentor you on how to do this absolutely right. All right, so that is how it is, guys. Signing out. Only test. Peace.